I've got here a 12 gauge shotgun and 3-inch mag, a new gun that we just got in at the hunting shop, Iron Weapons. And it's Benka Arms, and it's imported from Turkey by Fed Am actually. And it's a pretty neat shotgun, got a really nice grip to it. Holds 6 standard, but I'm gonna start looking for extensions. This client wants an extension. Got a big muzzle brake on it. Everything else comes with a Picatinny reel on the top of it. Comes with a really nice set of sights and really comes up quick. It's a pretty neat gun. I'm gonna start out testing it with just some total shit ammunition. Winchester low brass. We'll put 2 of those and some Rio number 32, number 6s, 1280 foot a second rounds and low brass. Another Winchester. And we're just testing it to see if it cycles and does everything that it's supposed to do. I'm going to trim some trees here. There's a misfire. That actually caught the shell on the way out. So 1. But pretty quick besides that. Let's try some high brass. There's a steel Winchester double X. Oh, and a feed issue now. Oh, I didn't like that. Yeah. Spring's popping like it doesn't want to load. Okay, tighten right. Carried one down below on me right there. That fed well. Again. Cycles pretty well. That first shell that stuck in it, that was a half-ass shell and it was dirty. So, barrel's warm now. But boy, it shoots and points well. I think it's a pretty good gun.